In this video I would like to show you how to create a loop in Cubase. So it actually all comes down to this little bar here that is gray at the moment, and the beginning is marked by this triangle and the other triangle indicates the end of the bar. And you just gotta drag and drop these little triangles to your desired position, to the start of the loop and the end of the loop, and then hover over this gray area until you see that hand, and then click so this becomes purple. And then you can press play and Cubase will automatically loop over this whole area here when you press play. So let's make it a bit shorter. And yeah, this worked. But there's a much faster way than dragging and dropping these little triangles here. You can also hold down the Option key on your keyboard and click here in the bar to indicate the start of the loop, and then hold down the Command key to specify the end of the loop. If you want to loop over a certain event or an instrument, you can also mark this part that you want to loop over and press Option and P. So this will automatically create a loop or a cycle over your event, and it will also start playing as soon as you press this combination.